Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your own demo account right here on Pepperstone. And to be honest, it's not that difficult. So right now we go here to trading accounts and then we click right here on demo, and you can find here all your demo accounts. And if you want to create one, we click on add a trading account, select here the trading platform that you want to use. Click right there on standard or razor, what you like. I recommend you to do standard. Click right here on nickname and fill in a name. Select here the amount that you want to put on that account, demo account, and then select here the currency, so USD is fine. Then we click now here on submit, and then now he is telling us that we just created a demo account. And then if we click here on cross and we want to trade, we just click here on launch, and then he will launch the trading page with our demo account. So once he will load this place, you will see the chart, and then you can start trading with your demo account. So right now, this is the place where you can start trading. So this is how you can create your demo account on Pepperstone. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.